Today we're going to show you how to install wheel covers. First thing off is you're gonna locate the size of your wheel. Usually after the letter R is the size of your wheel. Usually when buying new wheel covers, the retention ring is not attached to the wheel cover, so simply find the groove in the retention ring and align it with the slot in the wheel cover as shown. Then simply attach the retention ring to the grooves, remembering to align the slot with the valve sternum opening, applying the retention ring to the grooves as shown. Second of all, you need to have two tools to install the wheel cover: a pair of gloves and a flathead screwdriver. Simply put your gloves on, take the screwdriver, insert it in the groove and pull the old wheel cover off as shown. Then simply align the valve stem opening with the valve stem. Insert it in the opening as shown and firmly press the center wheel cover, hitting the places where the clips are shown to install the wheel cover. Simply give it a tug to ensure it's properly installed and nice tight fit. For a tighter fit, simply lower the retention ring to the lower notch on the wheel cover. For an installation with a much tighter fit, one last thing to remember is to carefully take the wheel covers out of the box without ripping the box, therefore making it easier to return to the store if in any case it doesn't fit.